Hey, this is Josh here from Gatekeeper, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about ContractNow. ContractNow is a repository for all of your contract and vendor data. We built it for legal, procurement, IT, and operations teams so that you have an easy way to get an understanding of everything you have out there at the moment. With many organizations now finding it challenging to bring on new vendors, we've also made this solution free for the coming months to really help empower the community to this end. The way ContractNow works is by bringing all of your information into one place, which you can see here in this executive dashboard. We track things like total annual value, number of contracts, number of suppliers, different categories of spend, risk assessment, and also upcoming contract renewals. In order to bring in this information, we can do it firstly through CSV Import, where you can log into your ContractNow account, download a template, add in your existing information, and then bulk upload it to create a number of new records simultaneously. The second way we do this is through auto extract, where we can upload a number of your PDFs and from there extract key information like dates, entities, currencies, and dollar values. As well, we leverage OCR technology so we can just scan all of your agreements and then be able to search by keyword, phrase, and clause going forward. Once we've brought in your contract and vendor data, we create records that look like this. So this is a contract record for an MSA. There's a number of different fields of data that we capture. We're able to customize this so that all the metadata, all the things that you'd like to be tracking are included in one place and can be searched and referenced easily going forward. For finding contracts, we can use this list view. Go in and grab all your MSAs as one filterable option. You can also configure the columns so you get the view that you'd like. Another way we can find information quickly is through global search. So here I've typed in jurisdiction, and we can now pull up any contract that has that information or that keyword in it. Finally, with teams now going remote, we're also providing a full e-sign suite so you can continue to execute agreements on the go. Thanks for watching.